Hello, I'm attorney Thomas Burton. I'm an estate planning and business law attorney here in Wisconsin. And today's question is the following. Do you have to put LLC on your website or in your website domain name? So this question comes up occasionally with my business law clients when we're setting up an LLC, and you may see some people use LLC right in the domain name. So Sam's Lawn Mowing LLC.com. Or now they're offering new alternative web endings. Some end in .co, .us, or .llc. The short answer is I recommend using LLC in all of your signs, business cards, stationery, contracts, invoices, legal paperwork, but you do not have to include it in the domain name. Domain names are, I know from experience, about finding one that's available and that works for you. So if samslawnmowing.com is available, you can use that and then just put on the website at the bottom that you are Sam's Lawn Mowing LLC. People understand that. If you think of the big businesses, they don't have generally Target.com doesn't have TargetCorporation.com, because a domain name is a way to find your business. However, if you find your domain name is already taken and that adding LLC to it, samslawnmowingllc.com, means it's available, you may want to do it just to get a domain name that's available. But you don't have to have it in the domain name for legal purposes, in my opinion. The domain name is a way to get people to your website, which is for advertising and business purposes. And the website itself can state that you're an LLC at the bottom. And in your terms and conditions and privacy policy, it's always a good idea to make everyone aware you're operating as an LLC, but in terms of having it actually in the domain name, in my opinion, not a requirement in order to maintain the limited liability protection of the LLC. Now, like I was saying, one other strategy can be, if you have a name that feel like all the .coms are taken, maybe look at one of those alternate endings. If you think your customers can type it in and remember it, you could have samslawnmowing.llc, for example, might be available. So great question. Thank you for asking, because I think this question is also illustrative of questions others out there are having and thinking about. And what we try to do here on the channel is discuss questions that are relevant to you in order to help you on your business and legal journey. So if this video has been helpful to you, please consider giving it a like so that others can see and benefit from this information as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.